Okay. Today we will be discussing about the differential equations formulas, and this chapter very important in second PU in Karnataka board, and Andhra also same, both are equal. Okay, these are some formulas is there. I will tell you now some formulas. Okay, what is that? What are the formulas? Okay, listen. Very important formulas. Okay, some formulas is there. Okay, what is the d by dx of constant? D by dx of constant equal to 0. Okay. Next, very important formulas. D by dx of sin x. What is the d by dx of sin x? This is become cos x. Okay. What is the d by dx of cos x minus sin x will come. Okay, what is the d by dx of tan x? This one also secant square x. What is the d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x will come. Okay, reason d by dx of tan over cot x over sin over cos over remaining cosecant x is there. What is the cosecant x? Okay, d by dx of cosecant x means minus will come, minus cosecant x into cot x. This is cosecant x. Okay, another formula is there. D by dx of what is the sin inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square will come. Okay, same like that only cos inverse x also. What is the cos inverse x? Cos is there, minus will come. Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is cos inverse x, sin inverse x, cosecant x. Listen, another formula is there. D by dx of tan inverse x. What is the d by dx of tan inverse x? Listen, 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of secant inverse x. Already sin cos formulas over. Now secant inverse x. What is this? 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 will come. This is d by dx of secant inverse x. Next, d by dx of cosecant inverse x. What is the d by dx of cosecant inverse x? Here positive will come, down minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. This is okay. Another formulas, very important formulas. This is 3 formulas is there. After that we will continue basic problems. Okay, listen. What is the d by dx of x power 10 formula? Okay, listen. This is n into x power of n minus 1. Very important formula. Another formula is d by dx of u into v. This is a very important formula. This is now see 2 values is there. First, u silent. You can do v dv by dx. So wherever unit division plus will come, plus next v silent, next du by dx. Understand? First u silent. U silent you can do second value du by dx plus v silent first value you can do du by dx. Okay, next one more formula is there. D by dx of u by v. Very important formula. Listen. Okay, now you can do here v silent. Okay, u by v. You can do du by dx minus will come. Wherever u by v formula is there, u into v means plus will come. Listen. And v silent du by dx. Next u silent. Next dv by dx by v square will come. This is d by x of u by v. This is d by x of u into v formula. This is d by x of x power of n formula. Okay. Okay. Formulas already over. Now we will discuss some basics formulas. Listen. Okay. d by x of 3x to the power of 4. How to find out this one? Okay, already you know this. Listen, what is the d by dx of x power of n formula? Already I told you before only. What is this one? N into x power of n minus 1 formula. Okay, na? Apply here also same. But n plus 4 is there, no? Okay, listen, constant value 3 into x to the power of means, listen, x power of n formula n into x power of n minus 1, same like that only. N plus you can write 4 x, same like that only. 4 minus 1 will come because of n minus 1 is there, no? Same like that only. 3 position 12 x, 4 minus 1 keep 12 x cube. This is d by x of 3 x to the power of value equal to x to the power x cube value will come. So listen, one more problem. Find d by dx x square xy plus y square is equal to 100. How to find out this one? To find out d by dx only. Okay, what is the d by dx of x square? This is same, apply this formula only. This is 2x will come. Here x, y, two values is there, not? You can apply u into v formula. For example, see, this x is u, v. U silent means x silent. You can do v means y. dy by dx plus c, v silent, v means y, y silent. Next you can do u, x you can do means 1 will come. Again y square is there, no? Same you can apply d by x of y power of n formula like that only. This is again y is there, now you can do y dy by dx. dy by dx constant equal to 0. See, dy by dx is there, dy by dx is there. Okay, constant values also is there. You can write separately 2x plus y. Okay, here also same, x into dy by dx plus 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. See, listen, this one you can write same, 2x plus y. See, ma, dy by dx, dy by dx same is there, no? You take common, dy by dx common, remaining x plus 2y equal to 0. Okay, this one take, that's it, dy by dx into x plus 2y equal to minus 2x minus y will come. Listen, dy by dx, sima, here multiplying is there, no? You take that side, minus 2x minus y by x plus 2y. Okay, listen, minus is there, no? You can take common, minus 2x plus y by x plus y. This is dy by dx. This is that is the answer. So one more problem. Listen. Find dy by dx. Y is equal to log of sin x. Okay. One formula is that. Listen. dy by dx log x is equal to 1 by x formula. dy by dx u for x is equal to u for x formula. This is very important formula. Same we can apply this formula only to find dy by dx. Okay, listen, dy by dx. Okay, same dy by log x means 1 by x. Same like the log x means 1 by x. X plus sin x is there now. You can write 1 by sin x. Again, you can take inner value. You can do inner value. Anywhere you can do inner value. dy by dx into sin x. What is the d by dx of sin x? Already I told you. What is the d by dx of sin x? Cos x. Is it 1 by sin x? In this place you can write cos x. This is formula. d by dx of sin x means cos x. Cos x by sin x. What is the cos x by sin x? Cot x. This is a result. Find dy by dx of y is equal to cos into log x plus e power x. Cos given. Okay, how to find out this one? For example, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. How do you know this formula? Same apply you can here. Like dy by dx, cos is there now. What is the cos? This total x only. See, cos x. Cos x is minus sin x now. Same, you can write minus sin x plus you can write log x plus e power x. Again you can do d by dx of inner value log x plus e power x. This one you can write same minus sin log x plus e power x. So what is the d by dx of log x? You can separately, you can do separately. What is the d by dx of log x? d by dx log x is equal to 1 by x. d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. No problem. Find if y is equal to e power of x cubed. Find dy by dx. So what is the given? Given problem, y is equal to e power of x cubed. Find dy by dx. Okay, listen. dy by dx. What is e power of x cubed? Now, this total you can take x only. Now y is equal to e power x. d by dx of e power x is equal to, what is the formula? d by dx of e power x is equal to e power x. Same you can apply there. E power of same. What is the e power x means? E power x. What is the x value here? X cube. Same you can write x cube. Again you can do outer value only x cube. Separately you can do outer value. Listen. E power of x cube. What is the d by dx of x cube? Listen. d by dx of x power of formula. d by dx of x power of n formula n x power of n minus 1. Same like that only. X cube means 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1. 3x square. No. What is the d by dx of x cube into 3x square? 3x square e power x. This is y e power x cube derivative. One more problem is there. Find dy by dx of y is equal to e power of cos x. Okay, given problem, y is equal to e power of cos x. Same, we have to use same this formula only. What is the d by dx of e power x? E power x means e power x. Same like that only. E power cos x plus x is there now. X plus x only is there, but e power x formula you can use. See, dy by dx. Okay. What is e power of cos x? What is the e power x means? E power x. But x plus cos x is there now. You can write same. E power x means e power x, same like e power of cos x means e power of cos x. Again, d by dx outer value only, outer value you can do. Outer value means separately you can do cos x. Listen. What is the d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. So you can apply there only. dy by dx is equal to e power of cos x. In this place you can write minus sin x. Minus sin x. dy by dx is equal to minus sin x into e power of cos x. This is y e power of cos x derivative. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and please share with your friends. Thank you for